Hello viewers, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Now I am going to explain how to install Monit tool on Linux Mint 18.3. First of all, Monit is an open source proactive monitoring tool for Linux operating system which helps you to monitor system process using the web browser, and also whenever request it automatically do the maintenance or repair of a particular process such as start and restart the service. Before we have to install the application, we should update the system repository using this following command. Then hit enter. The repository is updating now. The updation was completed now. Now we have to install the application using this following command. Then hit enter. The application is installing now. The installation was completed now. Now we have to open a configuration file. Then hit enter. And then here we have to make some changes. Here we have to uncomment this line. And then here also we have to uncomment this line. Here it will show on a port number. And then here we have to set the local IP address. And then here we have to set the local domain name. And then here it will show on a admin and Monit. The admin is a username and password is a monitor. After making a changes, we have to save and exit from this file. Then we have to start and enable the service of Monit. Then hit enter. Then we have to enable the service. Now we have to run the following command to check whether the Monit service is listening correctly on all interface or not. Then hit enter. And then here it will show on a detail about your corresponding running port number on a Monit service. Then you have to open a browser. The browser is open now, and then here we have to give the following URL. And then here we have to mention a local IP address or a domain name. And then here we have to mention the port number. Then hit enter. And then here we have to give the username of admin. The password is Monit. Then we have to click OK. The site is open now. And then here it will show on a current status of your system. And then here it will show on an entire detail about your system status with the help of Monit tool. And then here it will show on what is the version you has been installed Monit tool on your system. These are all the installation process about how to install Monit tool on Linux Mint 18.3. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel Linux Help. To more further videos, visit www.linuxhelp.com. For any queries, mail to support@linuxhelp.com.